Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Abhinav. So in this video we are going to talk about the problem A of Codeforces Round 772, which is min or sum. So in this problem it is given that you are given with the array of size n. Now what you have to do is you can choose two different integers, okay, two different indices of that array. Now you have to replace that ai and aj with two numbers x and y, okay, such that the OR of ai and aj should be equal to the OR of x and y. So there is you have to, first of all, you have to observe one thing. The thing is that what you have to do is, here whenever we are taking OR, so all the indexes in the binary representation of a number, if it is 1, means if a bit of a number is on, then it will be always be on if any one of the bit, okay. Let's understand. So this is the definition, this is the basic definition of a OR operator. According to our OR operator, if we are doing 0 or 0, then it is 0 only, otherwise in all the cases it is 1. Okay, this is the symbol of OR. So if we have some n numbers in our array, okay, so for example these n numbers are of for example they are of 5 bit, they are 5-bit numbers. The maximum number of this n is of 5 bit, so if we have 5 bit, 1 2 3 4 5. So if any one of the number has its first bit on, then it will be 1 only. किसी भी एक नंबर के पहली बिट ऑन है तो ये 1 हो जाएगा, अगर किसी भी एक नंबर की सेकंड बिट ऑन है तो ये 1 हो जाएगा. तो इसी तरीके अगर इस किसी भी नंबर की थर्ड बिट ऑन नहीं है तो ये 0 रहेगी. If at least one bit is on, then the answer is 1, otherwise no. So when we are taking two integers ai and aj, we have to minimize the sum. So what we can do is we can just take this x is equal to ai mod aj, this is the value of x, and y is equal to 0. In this case this problem will hold. What I am telling, that take x is equal to ai or aj and y is equal to 0. So for example we have some numbers a1, a2, a3, a4, a5. What we will do is we will take two numbers, for example a1 and a2. Now what we will do is we will replace a1 to a1 or a2, this is the symbol of OR, and a2 to 0. Now this is the array. Now we will take these two numbers, this and this. Now what will happen? It is a1 XOR a2 XOR a3. Now this here and this will also become 0. Now we have a4 and a5. Similarly at the last, now we will take this number and this number, and again this and the last one. Then at the last it will become a1 XOR a2 XOR a3 XOR a4 XOR a5, and all the numbers are 0. And when we add them, the answer will be this only, this value. The XOR of all the elements of the array, means the OR of all the elements of the array. So if we OR all the elements of the array from 0 to n minus 1, that is the answer only. This was the basic logic behind this problem. I hope you all get it. Okay, so let's move towards the code part to understand it more clearly. So what I have done in code, I have done nothing. I have just simply taken the OR of all the elements of the array. One line solution, this one is inputted the vector, and yeah, I will surely bring a video on my template, because actually I was modifying my template. So many of you were asking me about my video on my template, so I was modifying it. Now the template is finally complete. Okay, the DP and graph part is not available in my template, not much available, but yeah, all the basic concepts are available, so I will make a video on that soon. Now I have taken the OR of all the elements, and now I have outputted the OR. This was the simple clear cut solution of the problem. I hope you get it. If you have any doubt, you can join our Telegram or you can comment it down also to ask your doubt. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it. You can also connect me on LinkedIn. You can join our Telegram, follow me on Instagram and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.